Got 2008 Kawasaki Brute Force 650 4-wheel drive. Got 3,750 miles on it. It's a little rough, but it runs good. Jump on it. We're gonna show it to you running. Listen to it run. Be sure and read the description. I'm going to put all the details in the description. But you've seen it run. The 4-wheel drive light flashes back and forth.